Dear gastro-pilgrims, today the culinary spotlight is turned, not for the first time, on Spanish rice, but not any old rice. A very special Catalan preparation of rice with lobster. The good thing about living on the island of Mallorca and travelling frequently up to France is that you get to drive along the coast of Cataluña and stop off at the Cap de Creus, the rocky headland at the northeastern tip of Spain, just below the French border on the Costa Brava. Port de la Selva is a stunning village that keen followers of this channel will recognise from previous video recipes. Many of the traditional fishermen's dishes have become the most emblematic of Catalan coastal cookery, and this little gem of a book describes them all, not least the Arròs de Llagosta, rice with lobster, either spiny rock lobster here or the regular clawed variety. These days these things are worth their weight in gold, so let's make sure we get the dish just right. Oh, and if this is your first time here on Pete's Pans and you like to follow me around these beautiful spots in France, Spain and Portugal, cooking and drinking like the locals, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Salud! Now, as with most rice dishes, this will be a two-step operation, as the fish stock in which the rice is cooked is made in advance. Having nearly convinced this passerby that I'd just plucked my lobster from the bay, time for a look at the simple ingredients. A decent-sized lobster for two, 600 or 700 grams. This is the local variety of short-grain rice from the town of Pals, but use any Spanish-style short-grain rice suitable for paellas and the like. Au revoir. Bona.
Profit des del port de la Selva!
Qué bonito.
¿Ya?